Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on GetAssist. And in today's video, I will tell you how you can use two-step verification on your Instagram or on your Facebook account. So what is this two-step verification? Two-step verification allows you to protect your Instagram account or your Facebook account by hacking. So let's get started to know the whole process. First of all, go on Instagram, then click on your profile, then click on the three dots on your top right. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Account Center. Next step, Password and Security. Click on Two-Step Authentication. Now here choose either Instagram or Facebook. Now you can see there are three options: Authentication app, text message, and WhatsApp. If you will choose the authentication app, Instagram will send you the notification whenever someone will log in your Instagram. If you will choose the text message, Instagram will send you the OTP by which you can log in your Instagram account. And third, the same with your WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, you will get the OTP by Instagram to log in your Instagram account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. So please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.